How to create content on Jasper AI. First of all, you are on the main page and you will go on the left side and click on the create content. Here it will take you to a different page where you can put what do you want to create. For example, product marketing, social media marketing. You can choose from different options. I will go with social media marketing. So I will just choose a category and I will go with a Facebook post. So right here, I can choose between different posts, or if I want to like simple blog posts, or yeah, I can choose between different posts. I can go with a LinkedIn post, blog post, or production description. I will go with a LinkedIn post. I will choose a key message, which will be find, get people to buy my product. Okay, and it will be book a free demo today, and I will generate it. I will generate a full LinkedIn post in this option, in this description. It will create like a full useful LinkedIn post, which you can just edit right now, or you can use it from here. Just copy it, your website, and really use it. You can generate it second time and try different options. If you want something different, you can just do it by yourself. We'll add a prompt here on the right side, and you can say something like create a Facebook post for a bakery which wants more leads from Facebook. And Jasper will create like a full post on your Facebook page in the moment. You can rewrite everything. Uh, you can add suggestions to your brand voice. You can change different styles and so on. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.